Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we will see how to check login devices on Instagram. We start by entering our Instagram profile. Then we will click on the top menu and then on the settings and privacy option. Now we are going to click on the Account Center option, and after that we will click on the Password and Security option. Then we are going to click on the Where You Are Logged In option. Next, we're going to click on the account we want, and after that, we are going to see the different devices where we have logged in. You can click on any of those devices and close the session that is logged in with our account. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.